how to contact Instagram support. Now you can't directly talk one-on-one with an Instagram support team because they have got billions of users worldwide and they can't attend to each and every one of them, and it's just a social media platform, not a payment app or something like that. So if you want to contact the support team, you simply open up the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right, and here you will see all of these options over here, right? So here under more info and support, simply go to the help section. Here you can go to report a problem. Then here you can simply go ahead and then basically report problem over here, right? And here you can simply include our complete logs and diagnostics, or you can simply explain them what your kind of issue that you're having. Once you explain to them what kind of issue you're having, you can just tap on the next option, and once you tap on the next option, you will be able to send them, and if your reason is valid, the Instagram team should also get back to you. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.